Alright, what I'm going to show you today is how to embed a link into your Google Calendar. This can be used for a variety of things: website, picture, notes file, video, whatever you need to do. If it's on the internet, you can use this, and it will be a very quick process for your students to access it. Now, I have my students subscribe to my calendar, so when they log into their Google account, they actually see the same calendar that we'll be working on. And again, this allows them to very quickly access it. They can just click on their calendar in their iPad, they'll see this, and the link will be right there for them. So it's a very quick process once it's set up. An example of what I'm talking about will be right here. So we did notes on October 30th. I put that on there. Click here for notes, so it creates that hyperlink. This is what it'll look like in their calendar as well. They click on that. The notes load up for them. Now, whether it's on their computer or their phone, they have an option to save it as well, which is proven to be, again, a very useful tool for me. This process starts at your Google Calendar, and what we're going to do is we're going to utilize our calendar and put something in here. So this is something we'll do next week. I have an interactive, Alright, I'm going to edit that event, and I'm going to put it into my Earth Science calendar that I use, so that way it only goes to my website, and my students that subscribe to my Earth Science website will only go to them. And then the description, I need to add in this code. So this is a code that I found to do this, and I keep it in Notepad on my desktop. The reason why I use Notepad, it's a very small file size, so it opens very quickly. I'm just going to highlight this code here, this HTML code. I'm going to put it into the description, and then I'm going to basically utilize it from here. So the display text, so what I want the students to see, I just quickly type in here, type that in. Now I have to get my URL, so I'm going to be using this Glencoe Interactive Lab. Take that, highlight my URL, copy that, and paste it into the section between the quotation marks there. And so you still see the whole code is there. Right, what I just took from Glencoe is right there, and then they click here for lab. I click save. Now I can see it's right here. From my view, I don't see that. I can still see it's all here, but it doesn't look any different on mine. When I go back to the calendar here, I need to refresh to show it. Now I can see that entry that I just made, and from my students' perspective on their phones, or if they log into a computer on their Google Calendar, it'll look just like this, where you click on it, click here for lab, and right there, they're there. They don't even have to go to my website to get it. They can just get it right straight from their calendar, which, as I said, has proven to be very effective and very efficient with our time. So this can be used as well through your Google Docs. And so if you've got a document that you wanted to share, this is one that I used for my 7th graders. All the same things that apply. Use the same Notepad code. Now I'd use my 7th grade calendar, and I click share. I select anyone in Delano Public Schools can view it. I copy that link. Now when I go back to my calendar, if I put that in, it would all be there, and it would again allow my students right from their calendar to access it. Hopefully this was helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.